I'm Megan Bush with Charleston Home and Design Magazine here at the 2014 Custom Home and Remodel Show, and I am sitting in the booth of local builder Alan Wheeler of Coastal Design Builders. How you doing, Alan?
Oh, great, Megan.
Wonderful. How has this home show been for you this weekend? Has Coastal Design Builders seen a lot of traffic, seen any prospects?
Yes, it's been 3 days. This is Sunday afternoon, and Friday, of course, you arranged to have the hurricane kits sent out, which is really a fantastic idea. But I make notes of people that I've talked with that want information, want me to meet with them, and I had 23 leads Friday alone.
23? Goodness, Alan.
Names, call me, we'll call you. So I thought that was really great. So it's been a good show. Yesterday got some business until the storm hit. And then today, a lot of people, and again, quite a few leads today. So it's been a great show.
That sounds great, Alan. What are you seeing from these people? Are they asking to build new construction? Is it remodels? Are they looking for a certain look, some sort of trend that's becoming popular in the building industry?
I've had a mix. Friday, it was probably 1/3 new home, 2/3 remodeling. Yesterday, more new home. But a lot of people have bought lots recently. Talked to probably 7 or 8 that have just come into the area for jobs bringing them here. So Charleston is really growing. And some want to remodel a house they're just closed on. Some have bought lots, and they don't know, the new ones don't know about the low country look, which the pictures that are on my booth, show low country housing. But they just want bigger open spaces, new kitchens. So that's what they're asking about.
That wonderful low country look that I absolutely love. Tell me this, these people they're new homeowners buying lots. What areas are up and coming? Where do you see that they're buying these lots, these places of land to build something new from scratch?
Let's see, 1 Clements Ferry, 2 in Mount Pleasant, 1 in Hollywood, 2 on Johns Island. So kind of scattered, and most of them are in communities, some smaller, some larger. A man mentioned that he was thinking about buying a lot past Hollywood down almost to Edisto that I had not been familiar with. So I learned things too in the show, and so he invited me down to kind of take a look and see if that was a good area to build in.
Well, that sounds great. It seems like it's not just sprawling out to the country, but there's still some lots left in the Mount Pleasant area, in the places closer to the city. So that's always a good sign. You can still live close to the city and have a new home. And that won't be the case forever, but it's still there.
It is still there, yeah. Because the new communities are with production companies. I'm a custom home builder, so it is different. And most of us custom home builders, don't buy land and develop it. So we rely on homeowners to have their lots. And so, what I mentioned were scattered lots, but I'm thinking that more and more opportunities will be opening up from what they're telling me.
Good, wonderful. Well, what is Coastal Design Builders doing right now? What kind of projects do you have in the works, or do you have your hands in at the moment?
Well, I'm just finishing up an outdoor kitchen, porch. Actually, 2 of them. One is ground level, one is up in the air, maybe 4 feet. I've been designing 2 custom homes. I'm doing a presentation this coming week for one. I made a presentation last week, and now I need to price it. And so those are immediately what I'm involved in. But from the show, a lot of people will be calling for both custom homes and remodeling.
Well, good. I'm always glad to hear when our local builders are busy. It's one of my favorite things to hear, actually. So I'm glad to hear that you are. Alan, can you tell our listeners, readers, and viewers how they can get in contact with Coastal Design Builders?
Yes. Phone number is 843-300-9383. I have a website, which is coastaldesignbuilders.com. And that website gives some history of my experience, pictures to look at, and also an email address is at the website.
Great. Thank you so much, Alan. It has been a pleasure to talk with you. You're always so knowledgeable about the field that you're in. So thank you.
Thanks so much, Megan.
Okay, this has been Megan Bush with Charleston Home and Design Magazine speaking with Alan Wheeler of Coastal Design Builders.